lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick video. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who's got me to 1,000 subscribers. I've got a few more than 1,000 now, and I'm so, honestly, you just warm my heart. I said a while ago, if I got to 1,000 subscribers, I would do a giveaway. So I've put everybody's name into one of those little randomy searchy things, and the winner of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway is Jan Worthy. Well done, Jan. I'm so happy for you. Could I ask you to contact me in the comments down below? Maybe share with me an email address or something, somewhere I can get a hold of you, and then we can discuss what I'm going to give you. I did say in that video that I'd let you choose, whoever won it could choose. I don't know whether you want to have it to be beauty, hair, nails, crafting, whatever you know, whatever your hobby is, whatever you like to do. So yeah, if you contact me, then we can start that ball rolling. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Jan, for all your support, and everybody else who's subscribed to my channel. Honestly, you just don't know how much this means to me. See you all in the next one. Bye.